Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, let's take a look at this virtually mint condition 1991 Chevrolet Caprice Classic. And this is going to be a full, in-depth tour of the Caprice. We'll start it up, show the engine, get an exhaust clip, and go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. It's a white exterior with blue cloth interior, special to the classic trim. Extremely comfortable. The 91 Caprice was the first dramatic restyling of the Caprice in almost 20 years. It was also Motor Trend Car of the Year 1991 for domestic cars. This particular one has 62,000 original miles. One owner, clean Carfax. Perfect. Fires right up. Smooth steering. It's a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. And let's go ahead and put on the headlights, as well as the hazards. Automatic driver's side window. And let's check out the exterior, shall we? It was always garage kept. Cornering lamps that cut on whenever you flip a turn signal. Standard spoked aluminum wheels, standard on the Caprice Classic. The Chevrolet Motor Division insignia on the center cap. Michelin white wall tires. Beautiful bright paint job. Fender skirt that they carried on this generation Caprice up until '94. Chrome rocker panels. This car is also one of the innovations in safety technology back in the day with the introduction of anti-lock brakes, as well as a standard driver's airbag. Trunk lock. Center fuel cap. Single port exhaust in the 305 V8. The 350 V8 came with standard dual exhaust. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. This Caprice has the 305 cubic inch V8 or 5-liter. Throttle body injection, produces 170 horsepower at 4,200 RPM and 255 foot-pounds of torque at 2,400 RPM. Has a 23-gallon fuel tank with an estimated miles per gallon of 17 city, 27 highway. The 5.7-liter was also offered in these years, but only if you were a part of law enforcement with the police package, up until 1994 when they started making the 5.7 LT1 available, as well as the 4.3-liter V8. Soft cloth velour material on the doors, standard on the Classic. Power locks, mirrors, as well as windows. Power seat controls are here. It's power sliding and tilting with manual recline. also in fantastic shape. Does have a tilt steering wheel. And let's go and see how she sounds. Really feel the car rock. Your climate control, temperature, different zones, rear defrost, heads-up display, vehicle information, as well as your various warning lights around the gauge cluster. It's just a standard horizontal pattern that's been used for years. Fuel gauge, temperature. This car comes with the optional Delco Bose Silver Series audio system with 4 speakers and cassette deck. Pretty standard for this day and age. This one also comes with the optional digital compass in the mirror. Reading lamps down below. Non-smoker. This car is able to sit 6 people comfortably. Intermittent wipers, cruise control. And let's go and shut it down. Check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Class-leading rear seat room. Also in the soft velour material. Comfort like none other. Solid doors. The 94 through 96 generation had a sort of like a Camaro style dash, had a Camaro styled steering wheel with the modern knob headlight control, as well as a more condensed center console and more flattened dash instead of it kind of tapering down like that. Coat hooks. It does have power trunk release up in the front of the dash. I want to say it's probably 22, 23-ish cubic feet of cargo space. Whatever it is exactly, it's huge. With cargo net. temporary tire, Bose amplifier for the audio system. Power seat controls in this one, also located on the door. Modest cup trays. Got the owner's manual. Beautiful automobile. Just get a quick minute or two of driving clips. Very quiet car. No big rattles or anything like that. Very tight feeling as far as interior build quality is concerned. So absolutely soaks up the bumps. By far not one of the fastest vehicles in the world, but it's delivered very smoothly. Nice even shifts. Car doesn't pause for a second. Plenty of power to get you where you need. It's so hard to believe this car is already 20 years old. Absolutely just running like a champ. Awesome. Well guys, hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour and brief test drive of the 1991 Chevrolet Caprice Classic. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.